Hello, this is Muji with Mooji Truck Sales. I would like to show you how to measure a chassis for your job on a truck. So whether you want to install a flatbed or a dump truck or a tow truck or a water truck, you are going to buy a cabin chassis and you need to know measurements. So you need to give the right measurements to your welder. So I'm going to show you how to measure this. There are two measurements on a cabin chassis. One is called the wheelbase. The wheelbase is basically the base of the wheel. It's the middle of the wheel. So from the middle of the front axle or the middle of the front tire to the middle of the back tire, right here. This is called wheelbase. So your welder is going to ask you for this measurement because they want to determine whether they will have to move the axle or not. The second measurement you're going to want is cab to axle or cab to middle of the rear axle. So it will be right here from the back of the cab exactly all the way to the middle of the rear axle. And this is how you can get the two most important measurements on a cabin chassis for your job. Thank you, Muji with Mooji Truck Sales.